morning vlog. Today is Friday and I decided I want to film a weekend in my life video. I have a pretty packed up day. I have to find the post office in my new city because I don't know where it is, and I have a Depop order to send out, so I'm really excited for that. Let me show you what the customer bought. Are you guys ready? They bought the Sex and the City Kiss and Tell book that I have. This is very exciting. I'm very happy for her to receive this. So we have to work on that today as well as packaging it. I do have some plates that are clean in the dishwasher that I want to put away, but there's something very exciting that I want to do today. If you guys saw my last vlog, Jose surprised me and we went to a local barn that was literally less than 10 minutes away from the new house. I was so happy with it. Like, it is absolutely stunning. There are red barns everywhere. There's so many horses and they look stunning. So I'm really excited to go over there today and just hang out. I'm not gonna ride just because I'm new there and I have a lot going on today, but I kind of just want to get information and inquire. But I'm so excited. And even if I don't end up riding at that specific barn, I just want to go there just to hang out, grab lunch, work a little bit, because it was that beautiful there. I'm like, wow, that was the most beautiful spot I have ever seen in my whole life. It was just like stunning. I'm so happy, you guys. Like, this is a dream come true. It really is. Okay, I just finished that chore I needed to do. I recently got these air purifiers on Amazon. I love putting them in the kitchen because they really eliminate a lot of like the smells when I'm cooking, so I love that. I did take them off because I was taking some pictures of pieces in my kitchen, which my kitchen is looking so nice. You guys, let's do a quick little update and haul. This is like my favorite corner ever. You guys already know I have the cutting board and all of these like wooden utensils, which I love. This pastry dome is everything. I found it at Marshall's, but I definitely could link a similar one. Salt and pepper shakers. Look at this paper towel holder, the butter dish. Everything's been perfect. This is my updated coffee corner. I love it. Have everything in here as well. Super organized. I'm going to dress up like if I'm going to the barn already, but I have to go to the post office. Like, that is high priority. Let's go ahead and get ready because we have a fun-filled day. Outfit is on. I apologize for the mess in my fashion room. I also wanted to show you guys my new pink clothing rack that I built, but look at how cute this outfit is. I love the green tank top. My flare jeans are Levi's and my boots are from Amazon. I'm gonna grab a quick bite to eat before we go. Actually, low-key, I could take it with me and eat. That'll be so cute. let's just take it to go. I think that'll be so cute. I just got to the post office and I stumbled upon a thrift store. We need to stop by. I'm not gonna look so hard because I do want to go to the barn. I don't want it to get too late, but we found a thrift store, ladies. This is so cool. Hi guys, so I'm back home and I am so happy. Everything went so well. I ended up booking a horseback riding lesson, so I'm so happy. I ended my little outing going to Marshall's because there was some things I had to pick up, and I have a whole bunch of Amazon packages that I wanted to open on camera with you guys. So let me put my camera to charge a little bit and then we'll do a quick haul. Okay, time for the haul. You guys saw I got the cats these scratching posts from Marshall's. They're already going crazy with it, so I'm happy. I mainly picked that up because they have been, Cora specifically has been scratching the couch, and the only way to really get them to stop is to like start getting them distracted with other things. They're not like dogs, you can't really like train them. You just kind of have to give them better alternatives so they can stop scratching your furniture. I might go back and get more because they've also been scratching our laundry basket, which I'm not okay with that either. By the way, I apologize about this mess. I still have so many boxes and so much furniture to build, it's not even funny. Moving on, I got some scrunchies. I finally picked up the yellow rug I've been wanting to get for my fashion room. Now, this is a bath mat. It says it's a crochet washable bath mat and it's reversible. So I could choose this side or I could choose this side. I like this side more because this side looks less like a bath mat. I don't know if this was a good idea to get a bath mat because I don't want it to look like that in my videos, but it's so pretty and I love the color. We'll see how it works out. It was on sale, so happy about that. And then I treated myself to a little something because this is just so cute. It is a yellow button down. It looks like it's gonna fit so slim and nicely, so that's why I got it. I don't know what it is with yellow. I've just been wearing it a lot lately. I swear I'm not trying to do it on purpose. Now time for the Amazon haul. You guys are gonna freak out over this, but I purchased a content phone. I needed a phone that had a really big gigabyte size. I think mine only has like 128, and I'm already running out of storage. I got this phone back in like August, which is crazy. We're currently in February. It's too much. So I picked this one up that has 1 terabyte, which is gonna just be used solely for content, and I'm so excited and so happy I made this decision because it's so hard to just constantly be deleting things from my phone, especially when it's videos that I want to keep. So we have a new content phone. I'm so excited about this. Back to the Amazon haul. I have been ordering some paintings, specifically vintage ones, to hang around the house, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this one. It literally looks like the barn I just came from. Look at how stunning this is. It just has cows everywhere and they're in an open field. I don't know where I'm going to put this one just yet, but I'm obsessed with it. I think I might put this in front of the mirror on the walkway, or I could put it in Jose's bathroom. He doesn't have anything yet. So I have a lot of options. I just need to decide where we're gonna put this, and then thrifting, you're not guaranteed to find pieces like this, and they're all gonna be scattered, so I'm happy with this. And last for my Amazon haul, you guys, we finally have a trash can. I think I like it there. I don't know if I want the cat's bowls to go like maybe over there. No, it's definitely staying here. I like how this looks. I just need to set it up, but I love this corner. I didn't think I would love a kitchen corner as much as I love this one. That concludes my day. I think I might go to the gym later. I'm gonna watch some Yellowstone now because I think Peacock is expiring for us today, so I just wanna finish Yellowstone up. I think I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. I plan on going to the mall. I will let you guys know what I end up doing, and then Sunday I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I definitely needed the company. Good morning vlog. I am so happy to see you guys today. I hope you're doing well. It is Saturday. Yesterday was a great day, and today I plan to make it a really amazing day too. I'm going to the mall with my best friend Gabby. She has never seen my new house, so I'm so excited to have her and host her. This is actually my very first guest here in the new house, so I'm trying to clean up a little bit. I did give her a heads up that we still have boxes and things all over the place, but for the most part I do want to get some clothing out of the way and just like make herself at home, make her comfy. So I'm excited for that. And I definitely want to vlog it. I want you guys to help me out a bit. And I want to get some makeup done now. So let's get ready and then start prepping the house for a guest. Here is the outfit of the day. It's so simple, but comfy, cozy. I don't know if I'm gonna leave the house like this. Probably will. I just want to have a chill, little comfy Saturday. Also, I don't remember if I showed you guys, but I put up the new shower curtain. I think it looks so good, and here's the bath mat. I'm obsessed. So much better than the stripes. Okay guys, so Gabby wanted to do an unboxing of her gift, her birthday gift. So here it is.
Thank you. I'm so excited.
Like,
oh my god. Let's
I
see.
have wild hair today, guys.
Box number 1.
Box number 1.
Victoria's Secret. Oh my god, euphoric. Ooh, very sexy. Very sexy euphoric.
Extremely. Oh, it's definitely very you.
It smells amazing.
We could do ASMR. Yes, I like your nails. Oh, and I went to a new nail salon around here. I love it.
Yeah, it's good?
It's good.
Oh my god.
We could do our nails.
I love it. I love it. I love this color. I love
Oh, I saw you got Joe Malone the other day. That's your jam.
That was self-love.
Oh, you treated yourself?
Yeah.
As you should.
Fragrance mist.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. So wait, it's a mist for like your face, or it's just like a
No, I think your hair.
For my
Wait,
hair?
does it say face?
Hold on.
It says
Vitamin E.
hair and body. Hair and body mists. I think that's actually good because sometimes my hair be crazy. I'll be borrowing some of that. You want some? Yes,
Very
you're
good.
like, you want some? Ooh,
I love it. I love this thing.
I love Moroccan oil.
I love a Moroccan. She got road.
She has now the lip peptide treatment and
What is the peptide? Well, explain to me this. But what's the vibe? Like,
so
what's the
this
hype?
one is, it's not tinted. The one that you, yeah, so this one's just like everyday.
Okay, this is your everyday lip balm?
Everyday lip balm, yes. Yes, ma'am. And then the brown one that you got,
It's a tint.
Spoiler alert, is a tint. Yes. Like a brown, dark. Yes, she's got
She's in
double
love.
road.
She's roding.
She's roding. No, literally.
She's on the road.
On the road again. Road. Oh, a lip check. I'm actually wearing road right now too. I'm wearing toast. That's the shade.
It's subtle. I love it.
It's so subtle. No, it's perfect.
And then
Sunnies.
Prada or nada.
Or nada. Super fancy. Super
I
bougie.
love it. I love it.
It's
I
so
love
you.
Prada. I love Prada.
Prada or nada,
This,
baby.
I screamed.
I screamed. And then I got her chocolates, guys.
She's a big girl. She's a big
Right now we're going to the farm, which I'm so excited to be heading over there and see some horses and show Gabby the new farm.
Yay, I'm excited.
I know, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, my head didn't look connected to my body. I did braids now, guys. I'm gonna take Gabby to Dumpling King, which I think she's gonna be very happy to go. So guys, right, we made it to the farm. Showing Gabby the farm. It's absolutely stunning here.
I'm going back up to make my last stand. I'm gonna dust it off with my own hands. Black blizzard coming, old man keep running. You better get out while you can.
We're grabbing some lunch right now in Dumpling King, which is my favorite dumpling spot. I'm introducing Gabby to it. She's gonna be very happy. We are back from our girls' day and you guys are not gonna believe what we found. So Gabby was craving Cold Stone and we got really lucky And I found a Goodwill that I didn't even know I had near me. So we went thrifting and I'm gonna do a quick little haul. First thing I got are these H&M biker shorts. I think they are going to be so cute for spring and they look like they fit perfect. I also love the wash. It's kind of like a medium to dark wash, obsessed. I found these J. Crew high-waisted jeans. They're kind of like big and baggy and they have a really cool design on them. I'm really excited for these. Look at the bottom. These are actually really nice. Then I found these gray Shein, like wide leg gray pants. I'm kind of scared of these because they were from Shein. Gabby told me to trust trust Shein again, but I don't know. I don't know, we're gonna see. I kind of like how they feel. I'm gonna give them a shot. And then last but certainly not least are these gray yoga pants. They are so dang cute and they look so comfy and they're my size, so I couldn't pass them up. But you guys, we're going to be thrifting a lot. I would say maybe like 2 to 3 times a week. We're gonna go over there. Even if I'm not shopping, I wanna find some vintage I want to find some vintage Victoria's Secrets, so we're going to be doing that, thrifting together, and I'm very excited to make videos like that. Good morning vlog. It is Sunday and I'm so happy for today. It's gonna be a very chill Sunday. I have some errands to run. We are going thrifting. I already showered and I'm gonna get dressed now. I might take pictures today. There's just so much I wanna do today. It's a wonderful day. The weather's amazing and I feel so good. So let's go. Oh no, it's raining. We're still gonna go thrifting. All right, guys, I am in the parking lot of the thrift store. We're going to get down and see what we find. I'm so excited, so come thrift with me. I am back home. I've been back for a couple of hours. I have just been doing some chores around the house. I just finished laundry. I'm now folding. I'm gonna set up the litter robot, which is crazy that I have one of those. I'm very intimidated by that. I've also been cooking and I just didn't pick up my camera. But I just want to say thank you guys for spending the weekend with me. I love vlogs like this that are just really calming and I can just hang out with you guys because that is how I want to start living my life. I want to start living a very slow life and really just enjoy every moment. I feel like the days have been going so slowly, which I personally love because time has been going so fast in the past. And I really, really dislike that. It kind of scared me and I felt like getting older kind of scared me because of the time going by so fast. I don't know if it's a change of scenery or just a change of perspective, but I feel so good now and so present. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys for spending the whole weekend with me. I had an amazing time. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow along. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody.